On 30th September 2021, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had inaugurated the new building of St. Andrew's Secondary School block at Reking in North Garo Hills in the presence of Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira and MLAs Rupert Momen and Pongseng Marak. The Chief Minister informed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been invited by the state to witness the Statehood Day celebrations in 2022. Conrad K. Sangma, during the inaugural program, informed that the government is gearing up to inaugurate 50 new projects in the state to mark Meghalaya's 50th year of statehood in 2022. He also stated that the state government has accorded priority to upscale the education sector and has made huge investment to create a better learning environment in elementary, secondary and college levels. He added that the MDA government has sanctioned rupees 12 crores each to colleges in Williamnagar and Bagmara, which will be completed by the next year. The Model College in Rongjeng in East Garo Hills is almost completed and will be inaugurated during the Statehood Day celebrations in the coming year. Conrad Sangma also expressed his concerns over the poor pass percentage in secondary and higher secondary school levels and said that the government is working with stakeholders to ensure improvement of educational standard across the state.
Performance ko nibo, discipline ko nibo. Ajni Catholic Mission School mo, dapat confidence ko. Dapat discipline ko at sinalos kina makenga. Yan at sa kansinan namin nasong salipa. Alimana ay chukra ay Archini Bishop, Archini Auxiliary Bishop, Archini Father Ram, Sister Ram. Jirangan arong one sal ni takiza Archini Mandiram na Hangal Chulbriram na Ajak Somni Meghalaya State ni Mandiram na arong hapkainga kaya thamat saya chukra ay Wag Archini Bishop Rambo Father Sister Rambo ya chukra ay ramat kelaska